Respected physical education teacher and my dear students, myself Praveen Kumar Mishra express thanks to give me the valuable suggestion in my previous video in all the chapters which were pasted in the YouTube my channel. Now today I will start the objective question bank in every chapters, and the today's session is Unit 1 Planning in Sports. The overview of my session is the questions type of question is multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, assertion and reason based question, match the columns and picture based questions. Now we will start first multiple choice questions. In which of the following functions of sports event management, that is recruitment process, take place? By option is planning, staffing, controlling and directing. Now the answer is staffing. Staffing recruit करते हैं, recruitment process को develop करते हैं through the any type of sports management events. Second question is what is the basic function of managements? That is the controlling, budgeting, planning and organizing. Now option is planning. Option C, that is planning. Planning हम करते हैं basic function of any type of managements. Now question number 3, which committee is responsible for managing the sports equipments? That is option is technical committee, logistic committee, finance committee, marketing committee. Now the answer is technical committee. Technical committee is responsible होती है for equipments for each and every sports. Next question number 4, which committee has a wider scope of work ranging from transportation, boarding, lodging to refreshments, decoration and conducting any type of opening and closing ceremonies? Option is technical committee, logistic committee, finance committee, marketing committee. Now the answer is logistic committee. Logistic committee has responsible to take all the different type of committees, just like opening and closing ceremony conductions, transportation, boarding and lodging, and also the refreshment committees. Question number 5, which of the following टूर्नामेंट्स हेल्प्स टू सेव द टाइम्स? कौन से टूर्नामेंट सेव करता है टाइम? नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स, लीग टूर्नामेंट्स, कॉम्बिनेशन टूर्नामेंट्स या राउंड रॉबिन टूर्नामेंट्स? ना नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स वो टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं इफ़ द टीम्स आर लॉस्ट तो वो पूरे टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो जाती हैं और इसके कारण वहाँ पर हमें सेव टाइम मिलता है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम कम फाइनेंशियल बजट में हम उसको ईजी वे में कंडक्शन कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हाउ इज बायस डिटरमाइंड फॉर अ टीम? कैसे हम बायस को डिटरमाइन करते हैं? परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस, ड्रॉज बेसिस या फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस या सीडिंग बेसिस? ना हम ड्रॉज सिस्टम्स में हम बायस को देते हैं इन नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स. ना हाउ इज अ सीडिंग डिटरमाइंड फॉर अ टीम? सीडिंग्स क्या है? सीडिंग्स वो टीम्स होती हैं जो हम प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस को देख के या लास्ट ईयर के विनर्स को देख के हम उनको सीडिंग करते हैं, सीडेड करते हैं क्योंकि वो डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट राउंड में पार्टिसिपेशन ना करना मिले. दैट इज ड्रॉस के बेसिस पे, फर्स्ट कम बेसिस पे या परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे या ऑल ऑफ द अबव? द ऑप्शन इज परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे. लास्ट ईयर की परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे हम सीडिंग को डिटरमाइन करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इन व्हाट सिनेरियो इज द थर्ड बाय इज गिवन? फर्स्ट टीम ऑफ द लोअर हाफ, फर्स्ट टीम ऑफ द अपर हाफ, लास्ट टीम ऑफ द लोअर हाफ, लास्ट टीम ऑफ द अपर हाफ? नाउ द आंसर इज फर्स्ट टीम ऑफ द लोअर हाफ. Now question number 9, how many buys will be given to 27 teams in a single knockout tournament? Single 27 team, that is a odd number of teams are there. Now the buys should be given to n total number of teams में हम n जितनी भी teams होंगी 2n minus by the total number of teams. यानी 27 यानी 32 minus 27 यानी total is 32 minus 27, that is a 5 buys यहाँ पे होंगे. Now the answer is 5. Now question number 10, how many matches will be played in a single league tournaments if the teams are 8? Within the teams are 8. Option is 26, 27, 28, 29. Now the option is answer is 28, means n by n minus 1 divided by 2. यानी 8 into 7 divided by 2 यानी 56 divided by 2, that is a 28. Now question number 11, how many buys, how many methods are available for preparing a fixtures in a league tournaments? 2, 3, 4 or 5? Now the answer is 3, that is a cyclic, staircase and table form methods. Question number 12. How is the total number of matches will be determined in a single knockout tournaments? Now the option is n minus 1, n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 का रेशियो 2, n into n minus 1 होता है, या none of this, कोई भी नहीं. Now the answer is n minus 1. Now question number 13. How do you determine the total number of matches in a single league tournaments? That is n by n minus 1 divided by 2, n minus 1 divided by 2 and ratio 2 minus 1 या n minus 1 का ratio. Now the answer is A, n by n minus 1 divided by 2. Question number 14. What are the steps involved in making the rows and columns in a tabular form methods? That is option 1 is in even n plus 1 and odd is n plus 2. In even n minus 1 and odd n minus 2. Now even is n plus 1 and odd is n plus 1. Now the even number is n minus 2 and odd is n minus 2. Now the option is A, n plus even में n plus 1 हो जाते हैं, rows और columns में odd is में number of team plus 2 हो जाते हैं. Now question number 15. What is the formula for calculating the total number of matches in double knockout tournaments? Now option is given n minus 1, option second n minus 1 ratio 2, n into n minus 1 and last is 2n minus 2. Now the answer is, क्योंकि यहाँ पर डबल नॉकआउट है इसलिए now the option is 2n minus 2 हो जाएगा. Now question number 16. Who is the responsible for overseeing the organization the committee in intramurals programs? Principal of the schools, physical education teacher, teacher committees या head of the students committees? Now the answer is principal. Principal of a school is the responsible to conducting the intramurals programs. Now question number 17. What type of tournaments does in an inter-district competition come in? किसके आता है? Intramurals के अंदर में, extramurals में, knockouts या combinations? Now that is the extramural tournaments in a within outside that wall, that is called as extramurals. Within the wall, that is called as intramurals. Question number 18. What does the term intramural tournaments refer to? Within the walls, outside the walls, या both A and B and none of this, कोई भी नहीं. Now the answer is within the wall. जो wall के अंदर खेलते हैं, just like inter-house competitions या inter-class competitions. Now question number 19. Which of the races is run to promote their brotherhoods? That is run for fun, run for a specific cause, run for unity and the health run. Now the answer is run for unities के लिए हम promote करते हैं for any type of brotherhoods में. Now question number 20. In which community sports program is related to lemon and spoon race, sack race, 3 lakh race, parents and children race, teacher and child race, banana race, road and running race? Now the option is health run, run for specific, run for unity and run for fun. Now the answer is run for fun for जो कि हम community sports programs में use करते हैं. Now the second part of session is the fill in the blanks. Question number 21. The process of setting the performance benchmark, assessing the actual performance and identified that any type of dispensaries या कोई भी problems होती हैं through the comparison is referred to as a planning, staffing, controlling and directing. कौन करता है? Controlling managements करते हैं जहाँ पर any type of performance को या benchmark को assess करना हो. Now the events, question number 22. The event proceeds seamless, effectively maintaining a harmonious atmosphere while clearing the outlining in its aims, goal and objective is referred as a controlling, budgeting, planning and organizing. The answer is planning. Planning basically aims में outline develop करते हैं, goals achieve करते हैं and objective को ध्यान में रख के planning को set किया जाता है. Question number 23. The committee is responsible for license with a print media is dash committee. कौन करती है? Technical, logistic, marketing and financial. The answer is marketing committees करती है, print media को informations देती हैं related to their competitions. Question number 24. The purchase of sports equipment is a work of dash committee. That is technical, logistic, marketing and finance. Now the answer is finance committee equipments को purchase करने में help करती हैं. Question number 25. Publications of rules and regulations should be done by pre-events, during that competitions, during that events, post that events or any time during that events, and that is called as pre-competition. से पहले rules and regulations को justify किया जाता है और उसको publication किया जाता है. Question number 26. A process of arranging of the teams in a systematic order in a various group of competitive fighting by for a physical activities, परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे, ड्रॉ बेसिस पे, फीचर्स बेसिस पे और सीडिंग के बेसिस पे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हम फीचर्स में सेट करते हैं कि कौन सी टीम्स किसके साथ कॉम्पिटिटिव फाइट्स करेंगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. ड्यू टू अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टीम्स willing to participate, the school is conducting the competition by dash features, that is league tournaments, knockout tournaments, staircase and challenging. If the large teams are there, तो हम क्या करेंगे? That is knockouts and elimination type of tournaments. Question number 28. In a consolation type 2 tournaments featuring 28 teams, the total number of dash matches will be 51, 50, 51, 52 और 53. ना यहाँ पर 2n-3 हो जाएगा यानी 28 यानी 56 minus 3, that is called as 53. Question number 29. The organization committee is set to facilitate an extramural events in institution. That is कौन करता है, कौन मेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है? डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन, हेड ऑफ काउंसिल या स्टूडेंट हेड. डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन एक्स्ट्रामुरल इवेंट्स का इंचार्ज होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे ऑब्जर्व कब होता है? 9th अगस्त, 19th अगस्त, 28th अगस्त एंड 29th अगस्त. द ऑप्शन इज 29th अगस्त. मेजर ध्यानचंद के बर्थडे के दिन नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे को गवर्न किया जाता है. ना थर्ड सेशन ऑफ पार्ट इज एजर्शन एंड रीजंस. ना गिव, यहाँ पर दो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं, एजर्शन एंड रीजंस. उसके बेसिस पे आपको करना है. एजर्शन इज गिवन द प्लानिंग इज फॉर मोस्ट फंक्शन इन स्पोर्ट्स एज गिव अ व्यू फॉर द फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन. नाउ रीजन है प्लान मस्ट बी कंपेयर्ड all the other functions of management like organizing, staffing, directing, controlling in order to achieve the predetermining goals. The options are, which of the following statements are correct? Both A and B are true and the reasons is correct of given that explanation. Both A assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not explanations of assertion. Assertion is true but reason is false. Assertion is false but reason is true. Now the option is both A and B are true and explanations are correct. Now question number 32. Assertions given to conduct any type of sports events, lot of professional planning preparation is required. Formation committees should be based on the 3 levels, that is top, middle and lower levels. Reasons are showing in any type of an intramural events, members of the governing body or the principal will not remain the top level of management, whereas the extramural events, the director, deputy directors, supervisors of the state zones may not be at the top level of the management. Now the options following statements are both A and reasons means assertion and reason are true but reasons are correct explanations. Now assertion and reasons are true but reasons are not correct explanation. Assertion true but explanation reasons are false. Assertion are false but reasons are true. Now the option is यहाँ पर assertion true है but reasons true नहीं है, क्योंकि जो एक्स्ट्रामुरल टूर्नामेंट्स में जो टॉप लेवल डायरेक्टर्स या डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर्स ही वर्क करते हैं, यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया है कि प्रिंसिपल विल नॉट रिमेन द टॉप लेवल ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट्स. Now question number 33. Assertion tournaments is a series of games or matches played among the players or team to determine the winners. Reasons are showing it provides an opportunity to demonstrate the skills, evaluate one's performance and motivate the players to perform well, attract the people towards the sports, to make the sports popular and provide the healthy environments. Same statements are given are there. Both these statements are explanation are correct and assertion and reasons are true but reasons are not correct for given that explanation. Assertion are true, but reasons are false. Assertion are false, but reasons are true. Now both the are correct. A option is there, means assertion and reason are true, but reasons are given their correct explanations. Question number 34. Intramural tournaments provides an opportunities to select a players or team to participate in extramural tournaments. Now players are demonstrate skill fitness in events which becomes the basis for the selections of their players and the teams. Means intramural से selection के players extramurals में participate कर सकते हैं on the basis of this. And the following statements are given in a similar ways. Now the options are both are correct, means A, assertion and reason are true, and reasons are given that correct explanation of assertions. Now question number 35. Assertion, the community members working together towards a common goal create a certain camaraderie and trust within the society of members. The community sports programs have not a hug impact on the physical, mental health and individuals. Regular physical activities only improve their muscular health, but also the lower the risk of various lifestyle related diseases. Now the same statements are given which are shown in early. Now the option is assertion are true, assertion are correct, because द सोसाइटी मेंबर से कम्युनिटी प्रोग्राम्स को स्प्रेड आउट करती है, बट कम्युनिटी में जो प्रोग्राम्स होती हैं वहाँ पर फिजिकल, मेंटल, सोशल डेवलपमेंट्स होते हैं जो कि थ्रू द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वेरियस फॉर्म ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. Now next part of my session is match the columns. Now question number 36. Now organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Organization में क्या होते हैं? Organization on the basis में क्या किया जाता है? Now the answer is C. Now first is type. Organization basis में हम first the type of जो jobs होते हैं या responsibilities होती हैं उसको develop करते हैं. Now staffing on the basis of recruitments of their staff करते हैं, recruitment of staff किया जाता है. Now on the basis of directing की positions में हम guiding and inspiring करते हैं, and controlling में to monitor their success किया जाता है. Now the answer is C, 1, 4, 2, 3. Now technical committee, finance committee, transport committee and first aid committee. Technicals committee क्या करती है? Option is second. Now technical committees always जो होती है to resolve any type of disputes करती हैं. Financial committees, what type of measures they are doing? They are to deals their money and expenditure of their part. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कमिटीज़ जो होती है वो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ जो टीम्स होती हैं उसको प्रोवाइड कराती है, शिफ्टिंग कराती हैं. नाउ द फर्स्ट एड कमिटीज़ क्या होती हैं? टू प्रोवाइड देयर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ को प्रोवाइड करती हैं. ना यहाँ पर जो मैचेस के बारे में दिया है N-1 क्या होगा? ना ऑप्शन इज डी है. इट इज़ अ सिंगल नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स. N by N-1 divide by 2, that is a single league tournaments. 2N-3, that is a consolation type 2 tournaments, and 2N-2, that is a double knockout. Now the option is D, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now the fixtures क्या है? Fixtures, now the option is स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स जहाँ पर हम डेट्स और इवेंट्स का शेड्यूल बनाते हैं. व्हाट इज अ टूर्नामेंट्स इट इज अ सीरीज ऑफ गेम्स एंड मैचेस प्लेड अमंग्स द प्लेयर्स. ना बायस क्या है? बायस अ टीम is not required to participate in the preliminary rounds due to allotment of draws. Now seeding क्या है? It is a process where the teams will be placed in such a manner that the good team should not be placed on the basis of their ranking methods. Now the option is first 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next part of is next is health run for fun, run for a specific cause and run for unity. Now the option is first health run. Now the society and creating their awareness of this. Now run for fun, staying fit for healthy. Now state for staying a specific cause, promoting their green environments, and run for unity for feeling their integrations part. Now the last session is picture based questions. Now identify the functions of the sports event, that is a 41 questions are there. ना प्लानिंग है, स्टाफिंग है, कंट्रोलिंग है या डायरेक्टिंग है. और आप पिक्चर्स को देखेंगे तो क्या बता सकते हैं? स्टाफिंग है, एक स्टाफ दूसरे स्टाफ मेंबर्स को कंट्रोल कर रहा है, इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. ना आइडेंटिफाई द लीग टूर्नामेंट्स. दैट इज अ टेबल फॉर्म दिया हुआ है एंड द ऑप्शन इज साइक्लिक स्टेयरकेस, टेबुलर मेथड्स एंड ब्रिटिश फॉर्म मेथड. द ऑप्शन इज टेबुलर मेथड्स. नाउ द आइडेंटिफाई द स्पोर्ट्स कमिटीज. स्पोर्ट्स कमिटीज क्या कर रही हैं यहाँ पर? ऑप्शन इज टेक्निकल, लॉजिस्टिक, फाइनेंशियल एंड मार्केटिंग. और आप देखेंगे तो टेक्निकल कमिटीज ग्राउंड्स को चेक कर रही है. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द स्पोर्ट्स टाइप ऑफ टूर्नामेंट्स. इंट्रामोल्स है कि एक्स्ट्रामोल्स है? एक्स्ट्रामोल्स लीग टूर्नामेंट्स या नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स. एन एग्जाम्पल इज द ऑप्शन इज इंट्रामुरल्स. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज कम्युनिटी स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम्स. अगर आप पिक्चर्स में देखेंगे तो यूनिटी के बारे में बताया गया है. तो हेल्थ रन है, रन फॉर फन है, या रन फॉर स्पेसिफिक कॉज है, या रन फॉर यूनिटी, एंड द ऑप्शन इज रन फॉर यूनिटी. Now purely are references which I have taken. The curriculum is 24-25 and the references which I have taken the physical education book which are easily available in the CBSE site. Thank you for watching me.